guys? Just here working out at my home gym. Gonna be servicing the fucking S3 today. Giving you a bit of an update on what's to come. Oh shit!
Smash it.
Fucking hell. We'll be giving you some update on the S3. What's the lighting like in here?
You know what? You actually look like a scary. You're telling a scary story.
We're going to be doing a quick service today. Car's misfiring and it's not been maintained for a few thousand miles. So we're going to be doing some spark plugs, some oil, an oil filter. I think that's about it for today.
Hopefully it'll fix the issue.
Hopefully it'll fix the issue.
Yeah.
If not, we'll have to order some coil packs and a few bits and bobs.
Because we're definitely going to have to do something. I mean, we got gapped by
No.
our Cupra S.
This is going to be a video after Josh's car servicing video. So today's goals: jack the car up in less than an hour.
Yep.
Goal number 2: pour the oil back into the container it came in, not onto the driveway. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice. Yeah, lovely. That's good. It's good. And take off the oil filter without
having to pierce a huge hole in it and then getting oil everywhere. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you would actually know this place. So this is Matti's mum and dad's house, and we actually made a couple of videos inside here. So as Matti said, we're going to be servicing Matti's car today because it is misfiring, which is not good. And as I said, he also got gapped.
We didn't get gapped. I just didn't try.
When the car is under full load on the racetrack and never on the road, it sort of like stutters almost. We're going to go do the coil, well, the spark plugs. So I think this is fairly similar to the platform we're used to with a 1.8T. Obviously easy access to the spark plugs up top, and then we believe that the oil filter is somewhere down towards the bottom of the engine, so it might even be easier than the 1.T. And
another one.
Yeah, so this is my second of the day, whereas your boy's on his third.
Starbucks sponsor me.
But yeah, no, like legit, boys, you've got to actually try one of these. They are really nice. So guys, if you are enjoying these type of videos, these sort of like servicing, I guess you could say, type of videos, they're quite fun to make because every single time we do a service, especially myself, I'm able to actually understand more of the car and how to sort of look after the car, etc. Matti's done this 1,000 times, and same with the TT, he's done it 1,000 times before, so he doesn't really need to learn anything. In fact, I'm pretty much learning off him. He's the teacher. So we're just gonna, I don't think that ratchet's big enough, mate. Oh. Oh, it's got a lot of oil on.
That is a lot of oil.
Let me have a look.
Hot as hell.
Nice. Oh, that's even more oil.
Yeah, it's golden because it's 2 litre FSI. That's why.
Well, I say that, it just looks a bit, yeah, no, it's a lot of oil.
Okay.
That's number 2.
Oh, this one's nice.
Yeah, that was nice. That was decent. Didn't even have to look at that one. Number 4.
Not bad.
That's alright, that is. They look like 50 cal bullets.
Oh, we need to wait for it to cool down.
Try it on the next one. Make sure, yeah, push it all the way down. But every time it does it, you just panic, don't you? You're like, oh shit. Oh, oh. Oh my god.
Trzeba na górze, nie w środku. Tu liter DFSI.
Jeez.
Bussin'. That's how you, at least we know the engine's well lubricated, right?
Yeah, that's true, that is true. That was better.
So which one's cylinder 4? Because that's where my misfire is.
It'd be either end, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah, I know that bit. Does it start one this side, or I assume it starts one at cam belt side, doesn't it?
I don't know.
Or chain, or whatever the fuck it is.
But yeah, to be yeah, because that'd be like top dead center, wouldn't it? The first one, or the being at the top all the way. So what, number 4 with this one then?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's all right. That one. That's not too bad. Last one.
Oh.
All right, second to last one. How do you know how long these have been in? Again, not that bad. It's just black, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit charred.
A bit charred. It's all right. Good stance. Is that bad? My god.
Oh my god.
No.
That's fucking sweaty bum time, that one.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's because I loosened it, that's why.
Okay.
That means we have to equally tighten that one, right?
Yeah, well that one's FT. Whoever did that one did that FT. Guys, if you know much about cars, you know what FT is. Don't do it FT. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
What I'm saying? Oil or no oil?
Yeah, definitely oil. It's what
Reckon?
So do TFSI. Always oil, everywhere.
No.
What's it saying?
Bastard, that is hot.
Yeah, it's hot in it. Yeah, not bad. Definitely like got my money's worth there.
That cylinder 2, mate, is caked.
Yeah, perfect. Just how we like it. Extra lubrication.
Are these NGK-Rs? Race mode?
Mm.
Sick.
These are the
Fuck, I keep
Bust it
doing
in.
it.
Let's get the thread locker out.
Impact driver.
Yeah.
That's littering. I'm offended.
Reported to the pro. Ah! Fuck! They're actually so hard.
Yeah. Nicely does it. Nicely does it. I feel nice.
Yeah, really nice actually. We need to listen for the crush washer.
Wait, is that a thing?
Yeah, so you can feel it crush, and then you do a little bit more after.
This one should be no problem.
Plenty of lubrication in
Yeah,
this one.
yeah. Look at that, straight in.
Now, the other one was actually really nice, like thread-wise.
Oh, well, you're welcome. Every time. Well, how's that feeling?
Yeah, nice actually.
Yeah. That's good. Oh. Nice. That's safe.
It's starting to get warmer up here now. Like the heat.
Do that again.
No. You're just gonna. I knew what you were gonna edit that with.
Do that
I've seen
again.
a few memes before.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
It's alright, it'll just fall into a fucking cylinder and then just burn.
Yeah.
Get one smoky boy.
Smoky boy. This is actually going swimming.
Shut up!
Oh, sorry.
Fucking hell.
Sorry. These are not FT, but they're close.
Yeah.
No, because FT is like,
Pretty FT.
yeah. But we need to go like 2 steps back from FT.
Not quite FT.
What about MT?
Yeah.
Marginally tight.
Matti will start.
Oh, okay.
God, this is going to give us at least 100 horsepower.
Well, just hopefully it doesn't break up on any form,
everywhere.
any form of acceleration. I mean, that would be good. That's nice.
Right.
Last bit.
Give these a fucking.
Wipe down. Just to do the inside.
We'll definitely get some R8 ones soon.
Oh, the red ones.
The red ones. Yeah, they look to be good.
So satisfying, bro. Get the bolts in. Done.
Fucking lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly. Bruh.
Do you know what the torque setting is?
Cinematics. That's nice. No more, no more. Wow, pretty low under here.
Yeah, I can't even get the jack in.
Look how shiny these wheels are when they're clean. Wow. See guys, you never get to appreciate the touches. Oh, fucking dude, this fucking shitty focus. Hello? Hello? Maybe if I just zoom in more. Wow. Guys, there's a TikTok phenomenon going on at the minute. Shout out to General G.
General G.
Big up. You trying to hold this wood?
Yeah, big up General. Yeah.
Oh. Great.
Okay. Right, hopefully we're safe now. If I die, rest in peace.
Rest in pieces.
Right.
We need to get rid of all this.
Fuck off his own under tray.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think this is the only car you've had with an under tray.
Yeah, excuse
You
me.
actually spoil.
Fucking. What a pointless thing to add to a car. A fucking under tray.
Are you just going to under tray delete?
Yeah.
Get rid of it?
Well, I don't know, because this is not that much of a shed.
Yet.
So guys, I'll give you a quick tour down here. Considering it's a pretty old car now, it's actually looking pretty healthy up here. Not seeing any oil leaks, which is surprising. It's really surprising. Bit of a gearbox leak here, but that just looks like during refilling. Yo, you got one?
Yeah, there's some in the box.
Oh, cheers. Right, hold that.
You hold these. Hold this wood.
Imagine that's a bit pointy. Yeah, it's fucking rounded it off instantly. On it. Oh, because I put good pressure, we're good.
Good pressure.
Yeah. Pushing down on me.
They're nicely rusted as well. They are
Yeah.
protected with a layer of iron.
Yeah, battle
outside.
scarred these are.
Why is it I can see better on the camera than in real life? Like my eyes.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Guys, like I can't see anything, whereas in the camera I'm like, yeah, it's perfect. Why has it got like a tag on, bro? What does that mean?
Yeah, so look.
Is it tagged? Is it done something illegal?
No, so look, you put that on,
Yeah.
and then you bung it across, and then it holds it in place.
Ah.
I don't know why, but yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's just like, keep it happy. Oh,
You're not even on it properly.
don't ever tell me what I am and not. It's not even like a straight thing. It's like a...
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah, I love it. It's actually quite cozy down here, isn't it?
Yeah, should we
Should we set up camp?
kiss?
What
Fuck off.
the fuck?
A few inches later.
Is the tongue out? The tongue is out! Get the tongue out.
Mate, this is...
That's what we used to do. The tongue used to go
I'm not
out.
even holding it now.
Tongue out.
Oh. Hey, this is fun.
Bro, you look like a gremlin from this album.
Oh, I got gremlin. Yeah, fuck off, bro. Car ain't got MOT on it. Shut the fuck up.
Why are you worried about it coming out now? It ain't gonna come out now, bro.
Well, it will.
Yeah, not straight away. That's good. Is it going, you're doing it and then it goes tight?
Yeah.
No, that's good. That's actually what you want. Like tightness all the way through so it doesn't fall out. That's the thread locker on it, bro.
Oh, understood. The world's longest fucking.
Bro, that is not even what the. It's nearly out.
You mean it's nearly? Man, I'm.
Yeah, I know, that's what I mean, look. Bro, maybe the.
Right, wrong. Is that straight?
Here we go. That's nice. It's a boy.
And I'ma throw it while they do it with no hands. Oh, should we get a copyright strike, won't we?
Yeah, you're just too good at singing, bro.
Down, drop it up.
That was a lot of oil.
So what I think should have happened is there was a little valve at the bottom.
Yeah.
I think that was an oil release valve. So you run that first before you unscrew the cunt.
Right.
And that's potentially why it was. Damn, I just done what? Why?
Why it was so tight?
Yeah.
Alright, fair enough.
Right.
So we've got the old seal in here. Show you guys how it's done as a professional, not Audi mechanic.
Is it, we can't proclaim to be an Audi mechanic?
Exactly, so we're not Audi mechanic.
Okay, we're not Audi mechanic.
So, you've got your seal in here.
Wait, bring it down because I can't really see. The boys can't see. Oh right, it's literally just a seal, yeah.
Yeah, that's normally what a seal is. So we'll just pull that out for now. Always keep your old seal.
Eat it. What? Why?
In case this one leaks and you have to put the old one back in.
Wow.
I cannot count the amount of times that I've had to put an old seal back in because the new one hasn't.
Just put some oil on it. I've heard that's good for you. Oh, that was gross.
We use some oil.
Oh yeah?
Make sure you use your old one because you know it does well. It's been through
Look how black it is.
It's been through times, but it's still good. And then what you want to do is yam it in there.
Yum it.
Like that.
We're yumming.
Like that. Make sure it's nice and in there.
Nice and snug.
Yep. Make sure it ain't going to come out. And you take your oil filter.
Screw it in. You have to put, you meant to push it in, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
Pussy like this, shake your body, don't stop. But if it's like fucking, does it matter which orientation it went in?
What do you mean, like upside down?
Yeah.
Oh, no idea.
Maybe it'll filter it the wrong way.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll unfilter it.
Well, as long as it filters some form of way, that's all that matters, bro.
Right.
I've got that.
I've got that. I'm very Scottish, like Jack.
Elders.
Elder.
Elders.
Elder Mall.
How tight does that need to be?
Yeah, 22 to be.
Can you explain to people what you're doing right now?
Just clearing up everywhere the oil went when we took the oil filter off.
Yeah.
And this is just to help me when I do get an oil leak to be able to see it well. We're using nice mix here. So we've got some Red X. This is race oil. It's supplied by either Sainsbury's or Tesco, one of the two.
Well known for their racing heritage.
Yeah, yes. And then just to top it off, we've got some fucking...
What? Wait.
Yeah, I know, that's why we've got this to top it up. So, we're going to need 4.5 litres today. So we've got 4 litres of Castrol, and obviously Red X. X for fast. Let's show the people how to actually do it.
Oh my god. Look at the flow.
This is the proper engine oil you should get. Yours like... This one's like fucking smooth as butter.
You shouldn't be putting butter in, bro.
Look at that. We're pouring yours in for at least 6 to 8 minutes.
Why? Just 6 to 8 minutes, like it's a hot pocket, bro. I'm putting it in the microwave.
Hot tart. It's leaking, and that's it.
Boys, does it look good? It looks alright.
Well, it sounds much better, doesn't it?
Yeah. What was that side eye? What the fuck?
Side eye.
Right, have a look then. Matty.
Oh.
I helped loads. Well, I helped film.
That is how we service an engine.
Do you want to check the dipstick?
Nah. Safe. Right, you ready?
Yeah, nice and slow.
Got him.
Easy. Key, my brother.
What's up? Welcome to our race car.
Ready. Remember, nice and gentle, yeah? Minimal. Minimal damage. I nearly tried it now. That would have been bad. Oh, bro. I feel as though I need to like move this around a little bit because this is just too easy.
I thought your Halford's £8 fucking oil pan versus this 16-year-old washing up liquid bowl.
How much is this? Like £2 as well.
Bro, this was probably like 10p. This was bought like 2006 time.
There's
So
a lot of
what?
mystery items in the bottom of that.
Yeah, that's good. It means they're not in the engine anymore, and that's perfect.
Wow, easy. Not one drop.
We've got a few bits of debris, but there.
Are they on the?
That's not metal.
Oh yeah.
That's the bowl.
We literally just double checked as well. I don't know if I said this in the last video, but double check. Stay there, stay there. I need the camera to focus without touching you. So yeah, it's right at the max mark, so that's perfect. We had to put a little bit more in because it wasn't showing enough, but it's all good now. You happy?
Race car's helping.
Swimmingly well.
We need to do a test drive to see if our issue was fixed.
I fixed it! Oh, that's sick.
Oh, that pulls well good now.
That really does, doesn't it? What the fuck?
We fixed it. Oh,
That's sick.
yes.
Let's go. Right, guys, as Matty drives off into the distance, that must mean it is the end of the video. Today actually went quite well. So the last video we did was on the channel. We actually filmed a video with this, sorting this out, and it pretty much took the majority of the day. I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know that Matty is now very happy as well because it fixed his misfiring issue, so we are all good to go there. More content coming with obviously the TT that's just behind me, and also Matti's car as well. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please drop it a like, drop it a comment, and also subscribe, and make sure you hit the little bell icon as well because you're notified every time we upload. Now that the TT is back on the road, as mentioned in the previous video, there's going to be a lot more content coming, so make sure you're subscribed because it's going to be a good one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. Matti is off in the distance, but that was our POV. Peace out, guys.